Have you ever wanted to make slushies at home without having to deal with bags of ice or a blender? Well, today we are testing out the Canoly 2-in-1 Slushie Machine. This machine claims it can turn your favorite drinks into frozen slushies in as little as 15 minutes without adding ice, and it can even make soft serve desserts. Today we will take a look at all of its features, make a few different recipes, see how easy it is to clean, and at the end of the video I will share my honest thoughts on whether I think it's worth buying. So let's get started. Now let's take a quick tour of the machine. It actually comes fully assembled, so there's very little setup required. Starting at the bottom is the motor base that powers the entire unit and its built-in cooling system. On the sides here are two locking handles that secure the mixing vessel in place while the machine is running. And when it's time to clean it, simply unlock the handles and slide the vessel off. Now on top here is the fill port where you will add all of your ingredients. The minimum fill line is 16 ounces and the maximum capacity is 72 ounces. Now on the front here is the dispensing spout with a removable shroud for easy cleaning, and it also comes with a soft serve attachment for dispensing frozen desserts. Now inside the vessel is the auger, which continuously stirs your drink as it freezes. And this is the evaporator, which is the cooling element. So as the auger stirs, the evaporator chills the mixture. So unlike a traditional blender, there's no need to add ice. The machine does all the work for you. Down below is the removable drip tray that catches any drips while dispensing, and it even has a removable cover for easy cleaning. And when you're not using it, it stores neatly on the side of the machine. And underneath the vessel is the condensation catch, which collects any moisture created during the freezing process. The control panel is actually very easy and simple to use. You have the power button, a dedicated rinse button which makes the cleanup much easier, a control lock button which prevents any accidental button presses while the machine is running. This machine has 5 preset programs, so you have ice cream, slush and frappe, spiked slush, milkshake, frozen juice. And each preset starts at its recommended temperature, but you can easily adjust it using the arrow buttons. Lower settings create a softer consistency, while higher settings produce a thicker, icier texture. And there's also a night mode which keeps leftover drinks chilled, so you don't have to worry about it at the end of the day. Now, before using your machine the first time, it's very important that you let it sit upright for at least 2 hours so the refrigerant can settle properly. And while you are waiting, you can just detach all the removable parts, wash them with warm soapy water and let them air dry. Now, once everything is dry, assembly is very quick and straightforward. Just reinstall the condensation catch, auger, vessel, and magnetic drip tray, and you're ready to go. Alright guys, now that we know how everything works, let's make our first frozen drink and see how this machine performs. For the first test, I'm using some fruit punch juice. I'm just going to pour it directly into the machine. Make sure it's between the minimum and maximum fill lines. Now I'm just going to select the slush preset and let the machine do its thing. Canoly says freezing time can take anywhere from 15 to 35 minutes, depending on the ingredients you are using, how much is in the machine, and the starting temperature of your drink. That's why they recommend using chilled ingredients, which can help reduce the freezing time. As the machine works, you will notice the temperature level lights gradually change from dim to bright. This shows you the machine is making progress toward your selected setting. In the corner of the display, you can also watch the actual temperature drop as the machine freezes your drink. And once all of the lights are bright, the machine will beep and let you know your slushie is ready. Alright guys, so for 52 ounces of juice, it took about 45 minutes from start to finish. And one thing that's worth mentioning is that even after your drink is done, you'll want to keep the machine running. If you turn the machine off, both the auger and the cooling system also stop. So keeping it running just helps maintain that perfect slushy consistency. Now let's see how it turned out. Wow, look at that consistency. That's very delicious. It's nice, smooth, super refreshing, and the consistency is spot on. I am off to a great start. Next, we are making Piña Colada. Now, this recipe is made with pineapple juice, cream of coconut, white rum, and a little bit of water. Now, let's pour everything into the machine. Now, I'm just going to select a spiked slush preset and let it run. Before making frozen cocktails, one important thing to keep in mind is that the amount of alcohol in your recipe actually matters. If you add too much alcohol, your mixture won't freeze properly. Canoly includes a helpful chart in the manual that shows the recommended maximum amount of hard liquor based on your total recipe size. I'll put it up on the screen. It's definitely worth checking out if you are planning to experiment with your own frozen cocktail recipes. Alright, it's been about an hour. Let's give it a taste test. Now that's very refreshing. It's perfectly slushy. The coconut and pineapple flavors really stand out, and the rum blends in without overpowering the drink. It is fantastic. It honestly tastes like something you would get at a beach resort. It's very good. Now, I do want to mention one thing before we move on. After your machine beeps it's ready, if the texture of your drink is still too thin, you can increase it a level or two, let it run for a bit longer until you're happy with the consistency. And also, if your drink comes out a little too thick or too frozen, the user manual recommends that you add about a half a cup of liquid and you lower the temperature by 2 levels. But after experimenting with it myself, I found just lowering the temperature alone works really well, and you don't have to add any extra liquid. For this next recipe, we're going to try something a little bit different. I'm using a chocolate milkshake recipe straight from the Canoly recipe book, which calls for whole milk, heavy cream, cacao powder, sugar, chocolate sauce, and vanilla extract. I'm just going to mix everything together until it's very nice and well combined and pour it directly into the machine. Now I'm just going to press the milkshake preset and let the machine do its magic. Another thing I want to mention is that since this machine freezes your drinks using a built-in cooling system instead of ice, the sugar content in your recipe actually matters, just like the alcohol. Canoly recommends using drinks with at least 4% sugar, because if the sugar is too low, the mixture won't freeze properly and it could trigger an error code on the machine. Now, if that ever happens, you can just add a little bit more sugar or honey and restart the machine. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Wow, that looks really creamy. That is delicious. It is rich, creamy, perfectly blended. It honestly reminds me of an old-fashioned diner-style milkshake. It is very delicious. I would definitely call this one a win. Now, with milkshake and soft serve desserts, you want to dispense it within 30 minutes after the cycle finishes. If it sits much longer, it can start to become a little foamy, and we don't want that. For my final test, we are making soft serve ice cream. Now, the recipe in Canoly's recipe book called for milk and double cream. Unfortunately, double cream isn't something that is easy to find here in the US, so I did a little bit of experimenting and I was able to find a recipe that's become a family favorite. It is so good, and the best part, it uses simple ingredients that are easy to find. So here's what you need. You need some whole milk, heavy whipping cream, sweet condensed milk, sugar, vanilla based. You can also use vanilla extract, and a dash of salt. Once everything is well mixed and the sugar has dissolved, it is time to pour it directly into the machine. And for this recipe, I'm using the ice cream preset, and I found that increasing the temperature to level 10 gave me the perfect soft serve consistency. So now we'll just let the machine do its thing, and I'll be back once it's ready. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's see how it turned out. Look at that. It's coming out with a beautiful soft serve texture. This is very delicious. Now, what I like to do is transfer it to a container, mix in some crushed Oreos or any toppings you'd like, and pop it in the freezer for a couple of hours. Once it firms up, it becomes this beautiful scoopable ice cream that is absolutely delicious. This is dangerous. I can definitely see myself making this way too often. Honestly, out of everything I made today, this might actually be my favorite. Well, after making fruit slushies, milkshake, frozen cocktails, and soft serve ice cream, I really think we've put the machine to the test today. Now, before I share my final thoughts, let's quickly go over the cleanup because I know that's always one of the biggest questions with a machine like this. Now, to make cleaning easier, Canoly recommends dispensing as much of your frozen drink as possible before turning the machine off. Next, press the rinse button to stop the current preset, fill the vessel with warm water up to the maximum fill line, and slowly dispense the water through the spout to rinse out any remaining mixture. And if needed, you can repeat this process until the machine is clean. Then you can remove the vessel and all the detachable parts and wash them with warm soapy water. They are also dishwasher safe if you prefer. And finally, wipe down the evaporator with a warm damp cloth. Alright guys, after trying everything from fruit slushies and milkshake to Piña Colada and soft serve desserts, I can honestly say I was impressed. It was very easy to use. Each preset produced the texture I expected, and I really like that it doesn't require any ice. And another thing I appreciate is that Canoly backs the motor with a 15-year warranty, along with a 1-year limited warranty on the machine itself. It is really nice to see a company standing behind its product like this. Now, if you enjoy making soft serve desserts at home or frozen drinks, or you like entertaining people and friends, I think this product is really worth considering. If you'd like to check it out, I will leave a link to it in the description box below, and you can also use code ROSEBABY for $20 off. But that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!